Welcome to Part 4, Momentum and Proof. If Parts 1-3 were the diagnosis and the treatment, this is the discharge plan. What you do next, Monday morning, without turning it into a big initiative. Because momentum isn't hype. Momentum is what happens when people get one small win, and it becomes believable. And proof is the bridge. Proof turns maybe into okay, that actually helped. Here's the whole workshop in plain language. Fear travels fast. Leadership stabilizes people. Experiments create proof. Or even simpler, stabilize people, run small bets, share proof, repeat. Most teams try to skip straight to adoption, but adoption is the result, not the starting line. Proof is what calms the room. Not persuasion, not pressure, not a PowerPoint that says, please embrace change. Most organizations try to persuade people into change with policies, presentations, or pressure. But persuasion is fragile. Proof is durable. So think of proof like a ladder: anecdotes, demos, pilot results, repeatable wins, standard practice. You don't need a grand rollout. You need one repeatable win that can be copied. Because once it repeats, you're not selling innovation anymore. You're just scaling operations. This is how momentum actually works. Try, measure, decide, share, standardize, repeat. Momentum is not motivation. Momentum is a system. And yes, the decide part matters because nobody trusts a pilot that never ends. Ghost experiments are where energy goes to die. The other secret is share. Sharing is where culture changes because learning becomes visible. Here's the 7-day plan. And I love this because it's boring in the best way. Day 1, pick friction and set guardrails. Days 2-6, run one small bet and capture what happens. Day 7, decide and share proof. You don't need a transformation program to start. And here's the hidden win. Even if the experiment fails, you gained clarity. And clarity reduces anxiety. That's still progress, because confusion is what keeps people frozen. All right, we're going to close with 2 moves. 1 commitment. This week, we will run one small experiment. 1 share. Next week, we will show what we learned. Commitment creates focus. Sharing creates culture. If you do nothing else, run 1 experiment, measure 1 thing, decide and share what happened. Because proof is the antidote to fear, and momentum is what happens when proof becomes a habit.